In this video, I am going to tell you everything that you must know about Certified Public Accountant or CPA course. Number one, who can appear for the CPA exam? To be eligible to appear for the CPA exam, you must have at least 120 credit hours. Now, what is this credit hours? In India, each year of graduation in commerce gives you 30 credits, which means that after you completed your graduation, you would be having 90 credits and a shortage of 30 credits. Two ways that this 30 credit shortage can be overcome. The first one, if you have done your graduation from a NAC A college, then you would get 30 additional credits without doing anything. All that you need to ensure if your college is NAC A or A+ or A++ certified. Number two, in case your college do not come under the NAC A category, nothing to worry. There are a lot of bridge courses that you can pursue which will give you more than 30 and even 50 to 60 credits, which will enable you to write the CPA exam. How do you get these 30 credits? There are many bridge courses, and the best part is there are bridge courses. The moment you enroll, you will get provisional credits, which means without even starting or passing those bridge courses, you will immediately get the provisional eligibility to be able to appear for the CPA exam. The list of bridge courses are mentioned in the description below. You can check out those descriptions to know more. Number two, CPA examination. CPA offers a lot of flexibility. You can sit for the exam at any time during the year. It all depends upon which paper are you going to be appearing for. If you want to know more about each date and the results, which keeps changing year on year, you can check out the link below where I have mentioned all the examination dates and its results. Number three, CPA Syllabus. CPA has 4 papers, or rather I can say 4 parts. But the beautiful part is there are 3 core papers: OD, or what we call auditing, FAR or financial accounting and reporting, and reg or regulation. These 3 are considered as the core papers in the CPA exam. There are 3 optional papers to choose from. You can choose ISC, you can choose TCP, or you can choose BAR. Remember, any of these 3 papers, if you choose, it is not going to give you, or if it will not make you a different CPA compared to others. So it's very important while choosing these non-core or optional papers, the most important point that you should factor in is your confidence. Which paper are you more confident about? I generally recommend students who are not from technical background to go for either TCP or BAR. My favorite, BAR. But in case you love taxation, TCP can be a good choice for you. Number 4, job opportunities as a CPA. Currently, there are huge job opportunities and demand for CPAs in India. In fact, the number of vacancies for CPA is far more than the supply currently, not just in India, but across the world. So today is the best opportunity for every one of you who want to make it big in your life. Not just the big fours, there are many other companies, MNCs, top Fortune 500 companies are looking out for CPAs. So if you have it in you, or if you want to pursue this, I would tell you today is the best time to pursue this course. Number 5, how much money can I earn as a CPA? Simple, a lot of money. As a fresher CPA, the minimum average salary that you can expect is between 8 to 12 lakh. But this is just for a fresher CPA. With 2 to 5 years of experience as a CPA, your salary will skyrocket into 3 to 5 times. And no, you don't have to go anywhere across the world to get this growth. It is right here in India. I have personally seen so many CPAs with an average salary of more than 18 LPA with just 3 years of experience as a CPA. But in case you are planning to grab global opportunities, remember, as a fresher, you can expect salaries ranging between 3 to 5 times depending upon which part of the world you want to work in, whether Middle East, Europe, or US and Canada. Sky is the limit for your growth. If you want to know more or are seeking any help, you can always call expert CPA guides who can give you a comprehensive information that can help you become a CPA quite soon. You can reach out to them on this number.